Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unsubscribe to a Snapstar on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the little friends icon. After that, under the subscriptions, select the Snapstar you want to unsubscribe. Now, tap on the three dot icon. After that, you will see a unsubscribe option. Tap on it and then confirm your action by hitting on the yes button again. And that's it. Your desired Snapstar will be unsubscribed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.